Your brain is tricking you into making bad decisions every single day, and you probably don't even realize it. Most of the time, you only realize it later when you're stuck, frustrated, or wondering how you ended up here. Today, we're breaking down the 3 biggest traps your brain falls into when making decisions, and how to outsmart them before they waste your time, money, and energy. You ever stayed in a friendship or relationship way longer than you should because you'd already invested so much time? That's the sunk cost fallacy. Your brain hates losing, so it convinces you that leaving equals failure. It keeps you trapped, making you think that if you just wait a little longer or try a little harder, things will magically improve. The problem is, the more you hold on, the more time, energy, and emotional space you pour into something that isn't going anywhere. It's not just friendships or relationships, it's projects, side hustles, even hobbies you no longer enjoy but feel obligated to continue. Your brain treats past investment as a reason to stick around, even when your present and future would be better served elsewhere. The fix is simple, but it's powerful. Stop holding on to what's already sunk. Recognize that walking away isn't failure, it's freeing yourself to invest in things that actually matter. This doesn't mean ending something after one bad week or a single argument. What you want to notice are repeated patterns, microaggressions, disrespect, cross boundaries, or deal breakers that persist over time. Start noticing where you're putting energy into dead ends and consciously redirect it towards opportunities that actually move your life forward. The more you practice this, the easier it becomes to spot sunk costs early and avoid wasting months or even years on something that won't pay off. Next, let's talk about opportunity cost. Most people think that decisions are about choosing between what's good and what's bad. The reality is about choosing between good and better. Every decision comes with a cost. What you give up by saying yes to the one thing instead of another. If you spend every evening binge watching shows, the opportunity cost might be the workout you skipped, the side project you never started, or the sleep you sacrificed. And most people don't even notice these costs until years later when they look back and wonder where all their time went. Opportunity cost isn't abstract, it's the invisible trade-off that shapes your life. Once you start seeing it, decisions become much clearer. The fix is awareness. Before you commit to something, ask yourself what you're giving up and whether that trade-off is worth it. I want you to consider the alternative ways your time, energy, or money could be spent better. When you pay attention to what you're giving up, your choices start moving your life forward. Every yes becomes intentional, every decision aligned with your goals. Over time, these small, conscious choices add up, shaping the life you actually want instead of drifting along with what's easy. Then there's decision fatigue. Every choice you make, no matter how small, uses up mental energy. By the end of the day, your brain is worn out and defaults to whatever feels easiest, often not what's best for you. That's why you might order junk food late at night, procrastinate on important tasks, or mindlessly scroll through social media. Decision fatigue is subtle but powerful, silently sabotaging your intentions. The fix is to automate or simplify low-stakes decisions so your mental energy is reserved for the choices that actually matter. Meal prep for the week. Plan your outfit the night before or set up routines for repeated tasks. Even building small systems like having a set morning ritual can protect your willpower from depletion. By reducing the number of micro decisions, you free up brain power for bigger, high-impact decisions that shape your life. Over time, these habits compound, making you more consistent and intentional in everything you do. Your brain will keep falling for these traps unless you consciously rewire how you make decisions. Most people treat decisions like background noise, but the small choices you make every day compound into your future. Start noticing where you're investing time, energy, or money that actually doesn't serve you. Each time you catch a sunk cost, redirect it into something that grows you. Each time you weigh opportunity costs, make the trade-off work in your favor. And every small decision you automate or simplify frees mental energy for what actually matters. Over the coming weeks and months, these conscious choices add up, giving you more control, focus, and results than you thought possible. Understand and master this, and you're no longer a passenger in your life, you're the driver. If you made it this far, thank you, seriously. My goal is to make psychology practical so you can use it in your own life, not just hear about it. If you found this video helpful, hit subscribe so you don't miss what's next. And if you want to support the channel as it grows, the best way is simple. Leave a like and drop a comment. It helps more than you think.